Hard truth. Brands jumping into Headless Shopify with the likes of Next.js are not getting the ROI they expected. And why not? Because they're losing all of that accurate marketing data that they might get automatically on the Shopify storefront. The biggest benefit of building with Shopify Hydrogen, it's all about future developer productivity. So when you redevelop your store and you iterate on that customer experience, the biggest cost is the developer time. If you want a vanilla experience, a PLP, PDP, carts, then taking an off-the-shelf Shopify theme and adapting it to your own design is going to be just fine. But if you want to go a bit off-piste, a different flavor of storefront, then you're going to need to build a lot of custom components using Shopify's Liquid templating language. That's the way that you edit a Shopify theme. There's nothing wrong with Liquid. Lots of agencies use that right now, but it is legacy tech. The best developers and the best developers in the future will want to be working with technologies like React and Remix, which is what Shopify Hydrogen is based on. So when you come to redevelop your store in 3 years' time, or you want to continue iterating in between, you've got to ask yourself the question, are you attracting the best front-end developers to your project? And is it quick for them to be able to make those changes? So I believe investing in Shopify Hydrogen right now might increase the build cost, but it is going to increase the longevity of your store. It's going to increase future developer productivity. So what would hold you back from using Shopify Hydrogen right now? Hard truth. Brands jumping into Headless Shopify with the likes of Next.js are not getting the ROI they expected. And why not? Because they're losing all of that accurate marketing data that they might get automatically on the Shopify storefront. For example, they need to send the data to Google Analytics and Google Ads. They normally use the Google and YouTube app, albeit not perfectly. But on Headless, that doesn't work at all. For example, if they want to get the data into Meta ads for Instagram and Facebook, it's not going to work to use the standard app. So what Littledata solves is that with our advanced tracking script, you can take any headless implementation as long as it's using the Shopify checkout, and you can automatically track all of that marketing data server-side into your marketing channels. And that's how you get a better performing and better ROI from your new headless build. Want to find out more? DM me. Mejuri replatformed to Shopify in just 9 months. So what was their secret to such a fast launch? It was by using proven Shopify apps to fill in all of the functionality they needed for that new store. And the data integrations is a great example. So you might have thought a store at Maduri's scale and level of technical expertise would try and roll their own server-side tracking. But that takes months and months and ends up, in our experience, costing a lot more than a big brand would estimate. Instead, they could use Littledata's headless integration for all of their major marketing channels. So using Littledata's app and our advanced tracking script, it worked perfectly to send all of the marketing touchpoints, all of the customer data from their headless storefront, server-side from Shopify, and from their native mobile app into their marketing channels. And Littledata could support them using all of the things we've learned from supporting thousands of other Shopify brands without them having to invest much engineering time. So that's how Mejuri was able to relaunch and replatform in less than 9 months by leveraging all of the proven Shopify apps, including for data integrations that they needed to. Proven Skincare got accurate marketing data on their headless Shopify setup in less than 5 minutes. So what was the secret? Well, it was using Littledata's advanced tracking script, which is a no-code solution for brands on any headless setup to get accurate data into their marketing channels. And the CTO told us that this has saved them many hours of development time. Usually a store of this scale might be expected to implement some kind of custom tracking solution using Google Tag Manager or similar. But that can take months to get right, and Proven Skincare didn't have the time to waste when they're trying to re-platform. So by using Littledata's app and our advanced tracking script on their Shopify checkout, we can enable them to set up all these integrations in minutes. And that really is a game changer because it was just one other thing they could tick off the list of things they need to launch. Are you using some kind of custom Shopify setup? DM me and I can explain more how it can work with Littledata.